guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys what I'm packing for an 8-day trip. So I decided that I'm going to be doing just one personal item for all my belongings. So we'll see how that goes. I haven't tested this out yet. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so I just laid out everything right here. So I'll just kind of walk through everything I'm bringing, and hopefully this will all fit in this backpack. I do have a couple other backpack options, but this seemed like I could pack in the most items for not really caring about compartments and things like that. Okay, so first we'll start here with my toiletries. So just kind of a little snippet of where I'm going. I will be staying in a hotel for a couple days, and then I'll be staying with family for the majority of the week. So luckily, you know, they have a lot of probably toiletry type things that if I forget, I'm sure they'd be happy to share. But obviously I don't want to take all their stuff. So I'll just show a couple things that I'm bringing. So have razor, obviously toothbrush and toothpaste. I'm keeping my makeup just super minimal. So I just have like some concealer with my beauty blender, mascara, and chapstick, and like a more tinted like gloss, I guess you can say. It's just like a matte gloss if I want to kind of look a little more dressed up. And then some brow gel. So just super simple, very natural looking. Couple scrunchies. I have a brush or a comb over here. And I have curly hair, so I don't necessarily need to brush my hair every day. So this is more just like after shower type thing. And then some floss over there. And then just a little mini bar soap. And I think I actually got this from a hotel. These are just awesome. I like to take these when I travel because then I don't have to worry about like body wash, shower gel, all that kind of stuff. Or that's actually the same thing. Like body wash and like shave cream is what I meant to say, because you can just use soap and it works great. So yeah, just a little travel tip there. And then I'll just put everything in this bag right here. And then just the rest of the toiletry type items, I have such as some deodorant, bug spray, and then I'll be putting a little bit of shampoo and conditioner in these 2 bottles. So where I'm going, there is water. So I have my little just like phone waterproof case just to keep my phone safe. Obviously phone charger, and I always like to carry extension cord, like mini extension cord cables, especially if I'm going to hotels, because there just never seems to be enough plugs for everyone or for everything you need. So I just have a little mini one that holds 3. I always also like to carry just an extra bag, so in case I am out and about and I just need a bag for something, these just come in handy. It's just a little foldable bag. And then these are great, like the little grocery store bags, perfect for like garbage and also putting shoes in, that kind of thing. And then just a couple of Ziploc bags. So these small items that usually I always end up using that I'll be bringing. And then I have my swimsuit and just like a cover up that I could also use as like a kind of like an outfit. And then as far as clothes go, try to keep it super minimal. Luckily, we will have access to like a washer and dryer while we're there. But I know a lot of people that, you know, if you're looking for something more minimal, what I would recommend if you don't have access to like a washer and dryer is just pick like color neutral pieces that you can mix and match. And then you could always just buy like t-shirts. That's kind of what I did here. So I just have 2 pairs of shorts. I have 4 shirts. And then I have my pajamas over here, just like socks and underwear and stuff there. just an extra pair of sweatpants in case it gets a little cold, and then I have one dress. So if we end up going out and just want to look a little bit nicer, I have that. And then I have just my pair of flip-flops that I'll also be taking. If you haven't used Crocs flip-flops, highly recommend. They are so comfortable. And then as far as what I'll be wearing, I'll be wearing just like leggings, a t-shirt, and a cardigan that's like long enough that I could actually use like as a blanket. So that'll be nice for the plane, because usually I do bring like a travel blanket and pillow with me on flights. But because we're packing lighter, I figured this would be a good alternative. So I'll go ahead and pack everything, and hopefully it all fits in that bag over there. So I'm so excited. I got everything to fit, and there actually is a little bit more room too. Obviously in this front pocket, I'll have like my wallet and any travel documents I have. And I was talking to my husband about this, and he actually recommended to like roll up your clothes really, really tight, and it will actually fit better and fit more. So I think I do have to unpack this, because I obviously need to fill up a couple things and just kind of double check and make sure I have everything. So I'll definitely try that, and I'll probably have a lot more room. So hopefully this helped kind of get ideas for if you're taking a trip and need to pack light. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next week.